She's so cute. Okay, there's a message coming through. You're going to know deep down if this is for you. I just keep hearing, the path is clear. There's no need to fear. And I just got whole body chills. Woohoo! Oh, this is such an exciting energy. Oh man, whatever you're building, whatever you're manifesting, whatever you're desiring, the path is clear. There's no need to fear. Oh man, your ancestors are protecting you hardcore. I don't know if you just heard that bang. That your ancestors are protecting you hardcore. Hardcore. You have been doing a lot of ancestral healing over the last couple of years. Oh my goodness, I literally have whole body chills. You have been changing the trajectory of your lineage. You have been healing your bloodline through a lot of inner work and a lot of alchemy. 777, sevens might be significant for you. And the color white also. Not that I'm just seeing stuff in my mind's eye. I'm also wearing a white bandana. But the path is clear. There's no need to fear. The color white, sevens, deeply healing your ancestral line. And I'm specifically picking up on feminine energy with the womb. Healing the womb. Your body is a sacred temple and a portal. And you are reclaiming the power that was taken from your bloodline. This is the rise of the divine feminine. You are recalibrating, you are rebalancing. I'm seeing scales. It was like there was this deep imbalance between masculine and feminine energy within your bloodline. The masculine energy of like taking action, needing to do things, and the feminine energy of receiving, resting, listening to the intuition. And you are so supported. So this is your confirmation that what you've been cultivating and calling in, the path is clear and it is coming. It is coming. And it's around the corner. And it's here now. And it's here now. So I'm seeing like a round of applause right now from the ancestors. You have activated something so deep within your lineage. You've probably been going through it. You've gone through cycles of death and rebirth and needing to really reprogram some deep subconscious beliefs that were not yours. They were passed down to you because of what your previous generations in your bloodline have went through. I'm also hearing the magic is safe. The magic is safe. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps again. The magic is safe. And maybe for a while you were afraid. But Spirit is coming through very strong right now saying, you are safe in this space, my child. You are safe to do what you came here to do. Some of you are healers. Some of you are oracles, tarot readers. Some of you are astrologers, medicine women and men. And some of you are really also just breaking the mold, whether you're at a job in a corporation, like you are changing so many things around you just by being you. Confirmation verb. I'm sorry, excuse me. Okay, solar plexus chakra. There's this deep reclamation of your power that's come online. And I'm just hearing now is the time. Now is the time. So keep taking the intuitive, aligned actions towards your manifestations and know that the path is clear with every step you take. The path is clear. There's no need to fear. And you're going to be pleasantly surprised with how this all works out in your favor. I don't even want to say like surprised, but like get excited and expect the best. Don't be attached to it, the when and the how, but know that the path is clear, and what you are desiring here, what you are seeing, that vision that you're holding for your life, is blessed and it is divinely ordained. And there's no one that can take that away. I love this message. Wow. Okay. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. If you're interested in a one-on-one session, I opened up my April calendar. It's already starting to get filled. Check out my workshops. Come join us in the Dove Tribe. We meet twice a month for community healing circles. We would love to have you. All right. I love you. Bye.